Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you two easy ways to remove the background in Photoshop. First, add your photo in Photoshop. After that, right-click on your photo layer and choose Rasterize Layer. Then from Window menu, click on Properties. Finally, scroll down and choose Remove Background from Quick Actions. Keep watching to see the second method. Here, you can remove white background layer and finally download your photo. Let's move on to the second method, by which we use Magic Wand tool. Add the photo again, then at left from Selection Tools tab, choose Magic Wand tool. Select the needed parts, only accept these unwanted rubbish. I am suffering. There is color mixing of white and sky color. And finally, right-click and choose Select Inverse, and finally at bottom right side choose Mask. And as usual, remove white background. Final step is to quickly export photo as PNG. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe so we can keep going and bring you more helpful content.